Welcome back to my channel Benchmark. Today I am going to take few questions from simple interest. Simple interest is a topic where you can find the question in any of the competitive exams. So let's start with the first question. Question says certain sum of money amounts to rupees 1500 in 3 years and 2 rupees 1630 in 4 years. Then I have to find a sum. Let's understand what 1500 is. This is nothing but this is amount in 3 years. Is equal to rupees 1500. Similarly, it's given amount in 4 years, which is equal to rupees 1630. So what would be the difference of these two values? In short, I can write it as A3 and I can denote it as A4, that is amount in 4 years. The difference of these two values will give me nothing but the interest for 1 year. So I can write it as SI for 1 year, which is equal to A4, that is amount in 4 years, minus A3, that is amount in 3 years, which is equal to 1630 minus 1500, which gives me rupees 130. So this 130 is nothing but simple interest of 1 year. Students, if I know the simple interest of 1 year, I can find the simple interest for n number of years simply by multiplying it with the number of years. Now, with the first statement, it says that amount in 3 years is given, that is rupees 1500. Now, taking the help of this particular value, that is rupees 130, I can calculate simple interest for 3 years. Simple interest for 3 years, which is nothing but 3 into 130, which is equal to rupees 390. Okay. Students, you know what the value of amount is? Amount, the formula is nothing but principal plus SI. I have been given the value of principal. Sorry, it is being asked. So I will write it as P plus SI, that is 390, and amount given to us is 1500. Therefore, principal is equal to 1500 minus 390. How much this value will be? This value is nothing but rupees 1110. Dear students, it's not the case that I can go ahead with only 1500. If you want, you can go ahead with rupees 1630 also. But in that particular case, you'll have to take the simple interest for 4 years and you'll get the same answer in both the cases, whether I'm taking simple interest for 3 years or I'm taking simple interest for 4 years.